What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're all having a great start of the week this Monday. And yeah, welcome back to your daily coverage on Luna Classic. Even though I didn't cover it 2 days ago, I am planning to do it every day again. I know a lot of you hold Luna Classic and trade Luna Classic still. And there's obviously, Luna Classic still has, even though it hasn't been bullish for some time now, still has perhaps the greatest community in crypto, right? It might be challenged by Dogecoin, especially the last week, but it still has an amazing community. So in this video, I mainly wanted to take a look at the price, all right? What is it doing? What can we expect? Can we expect some more bullish momentum from the Binance Burn we will get today, because we will have that. And in general, I usually what I try to do is I try to also incorporate the fundamentals into the technicals, but most of you know that. So let's start out with checking the burns. Burns were actually, well, not high, all right? We're not burning a lot of Luna Classic right now, but compared to the burn tax, ever since it dropped down from 1.2% to 0.2%, it was pretty high, and we're still burning through Luna Classic, right? I mean, we're not burning through billions anymore, at least with the burn tax, except for this weird move, but still. And today, volume actually was higher than what it was last week, all right? So that's amazing news for the Binance Burn we will get today. I think last week it was around 1.3 billion. Right, this week I'm actually expecting like 1.7, maybe even 2, but I think it's going to be around like 1.7, 1.8 billion. So that's not a lot compared to the first Binance burns when it was like 6 billion. That was amazing, and then we actually saw quite a lot of bullish momentum in the markets. Right now, like, we had some bullish momentum today, as you can see. We went up to this resistance level, but as you can see from my analysis I did yesterday, I didn't expect that we would be able to get through that. Right now, there's this major resistance level between 26,000. That's also always what I'm like calling the prices as. Major resistance between 26,000 and 27,000. And unfortunately, it doesn't look like we're going to be able to break through that unless, and that's what I always say, unless we get some bullish fundamentals, right? A big listing or some new sort of a proposal. But unless that happens, it's I don't see us breaking above that level. We could see, I mean, in the end, we are, as you can see, we are getting into some sort of a more bullish market structure. So we could actually reach up to 27,000 in the upcoming days, but I think that's highly unlikely, all right? This was also partly because of some more bullish momentum in the entire market. I think the market is going to keep some sort of a bullish market structure, but Bitcoin and Ethereum are falling. That certainly doesn't help Luna Classic. Even though it's less correlated to Bitcoin and Ethereum than other cryptos, it's not helping. So what I expect is I think this was our bullish momentum for today for the Binance Burn. And unless we get bullish fundamentals, I think we'll drop down to this level here around 24,000 again. We might actually consolidate here a little bit longer, but unfortunately I do think that we'll break out of this bullish or relatively bullish market structure. And that will drop down to 23,500, and then later on also back down again to that 22,500, 22,000 level, which I do think could hold. And from there, you know, we might actually be able to hold for quite some time. But I don't think this small uptrend, I guess you could call it, is going to hold. So yeah, that's my take, I think, for today on Luna Classic. I think I said everything I wanted to say. I'll be back tomorrow if anything happens. Wednesday we'll have some important fundamentals for the entire crypto market. So keep an eye out for that, the Federal Reserve interest rate. But for now, I want to wish you all a great Monday. Take care and bye.